Okay, so let me take one example, rounding off decimal to required number of decimal place. So let me take one example of 4 1 point say 3 7 1 and 8. I want to round off this to some decimal place. Say now I want to, now how many digit this has, this number is how many, after decimal point how many digits it has? It has 4 digits. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3 and this is 4. So what number I will going to call this? I will call this number as, this number is till 4 decimal point. That's what I will going to call this number as. Okay, and I want to round off this number to up to, okay, round off this number up to 3 decimal point. 3 decimal point I have to round off this number. So what is the first step? What we will do? We will going to first make a box. Okay, and we will going to write these numbers. This is 4, this is 1, this is decimal, this is 3, this is 7, this is 1 and this is 8. And then I will going to make it what? In a box. I will keep this in a box like this. Like this. Okay, like this I will going to keep this in a box. Next, I want to convert this into 3 decimal place. It means I want this, 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 and also I want this. Okay, so what I will going to draw? I will going to draw the same thing again, but here it will be here in this case it will be only till 3 decimal place. Only 3 decimal place. So when I say only till 3 decimal place, what does that mean? It means I will get here 4, I will get here 1. Okay, I will get here 1, I will get here decimal point, I will get here 3, I will get here 7, but here what it should be? I don't know. Why? Because I want to round off this up to 3 decimal place. So here it will be what? I don't know. So either here the number can be 1 or here the number can be 2. Who decide whether it will be 1 or it will be 2? It is decided by this 8. The next number will going to decide. Which number? The next number. What is that next number? It is 8. So if the next number, if within this box, if a number is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, then what number should come here? It should come 1. But if in this box the number is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, then which number should come here? 2. It should come 2. So my answer, rounding off up to 3 decimal point, will be 41.372. This will be my answer. Understood this?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, only we can take 1 or 2.
You can take, no. It depends upon the number. Let me explain you the rounding off to 2 decimal place. Then you will going to understand better. Okay, let me explain you again with 2 decimal place. So I have a number 41.3718. I want to round off this to 2 decimal point. 2 decimal point.
Sir, can you explain
what? This one? 2 decimal
sir.
point 1. Yeah, that's what I am explaining you. I am explaining you that. So what I'll do first, I will going to keep this in a box like this. I will keep all these numbers in this box. Fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, it is there. So now I will going to write here. Say I will write here 41.3718. I want only 2 decimal point. It means I want only till this, from here to here. That's it. I don't want these two. Okay. So what I'll do, let me join it. I will join it like this. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. Till 2 decimal point, if they have said, then without thinking much, I can very easily write here 41.3. But this last digit depends upon what? Either it will be 7 or it will be 8. And this is deciding, this is decided by which digit? This is decided by this digit. So if in this box the number is 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, then what number will come? 7 number will come.
7.
Correct. If it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, then the number will come here is 7. But if in this box the number is say 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, then which number will come? 7 plus
8.
1, which is 8. So 8 number will come here. Correct? But here it is 1.
Yes.
So my answer will be 41.37. This will be my answer. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now 2 decimal point we have seen. Now I will going to say, I will going to explain you with 1 decimal point. 41.3718. 41.3718. Is this? Yes. Okay. I want to convert this into 2 decimal, not 2 or what? 2 is over, na?
1.
1 decimal point. Okay. So what is the step? First step is I will going to make it this in a box. That is the first step. Okay, so I have made this in a box. Now I want to convert up to 1 decimal point. So if I want to convert into 1 decimal point, I have to have only this much. That's it. And here 1 line. That's it. Okay. So this 4 will come as it is. This 1 will come as it is. This point will come as it is. But here either it will be 3 or it will be 4. Who is deciding this? Next digit
7.
is deciding. So if in this box the number is 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, then what number will come?
3.
The number will be 3 only. But if in this box the number is say 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, then what number will come? 4 number will come. Here it is 7. So the answer will be 41.4.
4.
This will be the answer. Understood?
Yes.
Now I want to convert the same number to what? To a whole number. Okay. So my number is 41.4. 3718. Okay, I want to convert this number to whole number. So how to convert? What is the first step? First step is make the box. So I am making the box like this. Okay, and then here also I am making this box, and here also I am making a box. Here also I am making a box. Okay, I want to make this a whole number. So when I want to make a whole number, I should have only this, nothing else. Okay, I should have only this, nothing else. Correct? So when I say
Yes.
whole number, this 4 will come here as it is, but here this 1 is there. So this 1 should be replaced by
1
1,
or 2.
or it will be 2. Who decides that? This is decided by the next number, which is 3.
3.
Now, in this box, if you have a numbers like 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, then what will be the number? Number will be 1. But if in this box, the number is say 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. Okay, not numbers. I will say I should call actually digits. Then what number should come here? Here 2
2.
should come. Here what is there? 3 is there. So what will be my answer? My answer
1.
will be 41. This will be my answer. I think you understood this now, right?
Yes.
Okay, fine.